Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will just reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, the value on this display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the ZTE device reached 106.8 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.